oh my gosh! In 4K Pinkie Pie style!
It's time for another mini vlog. Oh yeah.
Why are you looking at this? That's what? Why don't you?
Hello guys, come my vlog. I don't know what time it is. Tim has got paid from work and he's like, Mama, let's go outside and buy some pony stuff.
No, I didn't say pony stuff. I said, well, maybe ponies.
Yeah,
it's about 10 something.
What's about 10?
The time.
Oh, the time is about 10.
10 something, I don't know.
That's not a time.
I can't check my phone.
It's 10 something o'clock.
Well,
it's 10 o'clock.
They say ish, don't they?
Fucking hell, it's cold down here, isn't it? It's amazing. I need to put my buttons up. Or my buttons.
The buttons to do up the coat up.
Yeah, right. Yeah, we're going to walk to the train station of La Production and we'll review in my next segment. Oh, yes. Hello, I'm back. Oh, yes. The time is now 23:42 on the 17th of February 2017. Oh, yes. Okay, got my drill. It's actually quite heavy, actually. And yeah, it works. It works. Amount of times I've in my personal pass, not your personal pass, my personal pass, getting screws out or getting something, trying to get screws out with additional screwdriver, and it's so hard to twist it, and that would make the job easily. I've still got some more Amazon orders on the way. One of them is a EVGA 1000 watts GQ series ATX modular power supply with active PFC. That was, it wouldn't do a rarity phone or not, £122.99.
That was me doing a radio rarity thing. Another cookie.
Other thing I've ordered is a video projector, HD 180p, and a projector for the home cinema system. And I don't know where they're going to put it. You never know. I might put it in here. Big shout out for Life of an Englishman. I'm an Englishman as well, but I'm a southerner. He's also a northerner. And Thomas is a northerner as well. He's paid for my old camcorder, and what I've done for him, he's paid £50 for my camcorder. From my old camcorder, and with my own money, it's the rarity inside me. I paid £20 for a placement battery for him. My mum's gonna post that on Saturday, and it might get to him on a Monday or Tuesday, hopefully. The camera battery will be arriving today, or basically on. Not now. The time you see this vlog, you might have already got it. It will be arriving on Saturday. Yeah, that's the relative for me. I couldn't find a battery. What did I do? Pay for a battery for him. And it's a dual cell. Dual cell is actually quite good. Also today, it's still today, yes it is, I paid £9.99 a month for the My Little Pony box. And you could do a 12-month description, but it will cost more in shipping. And there was another version, like it's like a My Little Pony box for girls. It's for guys as well. But the shipping was about, for 1 month, they wanted $30 shipping fee. No fucking way. You know, understand what I mean? I'm not paying £30 for shipping. No. It was only about $6.85 for international shipping. And I'll might get that near the end of March, actually. I'll think about it. Yes, and I will see you in my next segment. Oh, yes. Hello, I'm back. Oh, yes. I'm going to go to the shops today because I've got some purchases to make. Yes. I've already uploaded a video of things to come to my channel, but since you are a patron, it is 4K videos. I'm going to get a 4K camera I'm also going to get a graphics card. I'm not going to tell you which one yet until I actually purchase it. First of all, I need to go into Brixton because I've got some things pre-ordered at Argos and PC World. This is quite an upgrade I'm doing. What I've done. First it was the computer. Next, different way of vlogging. Oh yes. Hello, I'm back. Oh yes, I don't know what the time is, but we do have things to open up for the new PC. Hello, I'm back. Oh yes, don't know what time it is, but I do have the EGA 1000 GQ PSU. Oh, it's a modular PSU, and it's bloody heavy, I can tell you. Bloody heavy. I'll show you the back of the box, really. There we go. There is the new PSU, power supply unit. It says here, modular design, SATA cable, provides up to 83.3A, 999.6 volts on the plus 1V rail, what that means. Japanese competitors. Provides up to 1000 watts at 50 degrees. Ultra power. Cables include 20 plus 4 pins of ATX cable. 8 4 plus 4 pin. Got something called the EPS/ATX 12 volts CPU cables. SATA cables, motor cables. And I can't wait to get it open. Yeah. Okay, we're going to give this an open now. Stand by once I try to get it open now. Not bad for £122 really. You can get a lot more cheap, expensive than that. You can get cheaper ones, but sometimes it's not always good to get cheaper. Alright, now I've got to break the seal before I can actually open the thing. Okay, gotta break the seal now. Okay, let's open up the box. Do we have the illustration of it? I think it's on the registry, I think. Oh, yeah. What comes in the box? You got the instruction manual, basic information really. How to install, help with cable management as well, which can be a big factor in computer builds. Can you tell me about the load information? Okay, that was the instruction booklet. These are the cables that I use. I do like the bands actually. The other one are quite thick around. It's like these sort of things, very thick. Got the this is the power connector and the 16 pins cable. Got your cables here. Plug. More cables. I'm not going to use all of them. That's the thing. You don't have to use all of them. And some screws. Some screws just there. That is quite a lot of cables, I can tell you. Take off the foam. And this is actual PSU, and it weighs a ton. It weighs a ton. It weighs a ton. The cables are, you've got the cables at the back. There we go. There's your, so the cables. Hopefully the fan will be good as well when it spins and keeps it nice and cool. You just need to do that, and that will go into the PC like so. What I'm gonna do is though attach the cables that I need in there first, and make sure I've got the cable management set as well. Okay, It's going to take a while taking all the cables out, and hopefully I can get this in pretty soon. Oh, yes. Okay, here we got the GeForce GTX 1070 graphics card ready to go in, and you're going to see what's inside. Okay, we're going to open up the box now. Okay. It's going to be a bit tough. It's going to be a bit tough. Open it for the first time. Open it. Oh, that is not as heavy as the PSU, but let's see. It comes with foam. Okay, what's in here? Okay. Band. Okay, not sure what that does. Or what's it for, I mean. How do you get free trial for a game that I might not play? More of these cable, looks like cable ties actually. Software CD and an instruction manual. Pretty basic really. Okay, nothing there. More foam. This is the graphics card. Oh. Okay, gonna open up the graphics card now. Wow. I like the idea. Everything is enclosed. Everything's enclosed. There we go. There it is, the graphics card. I like everything's like enclosed. You can take out. Well, and I'm gonna get this into the PC. I'll get all the cables connected, and I will see you in my next segment. Oh yes. Hello, I'm back. Oh yes, I do have this LED projector which I'll be testing out pretty soon. Yes, I'm going to install the projector very soon and hopefully it actually works. Oh yes.
In the dead of the night, instead of searching for the light yourself, reflecting on the moments you lost, the moments you thought would finally be the end.
Searching for the light in the dead of the night, when I could light the way for someone else. Forgetting all the moments I lost, the more that I thought I'd never see the end.
And now the timing is right, stepping into the light. You finally found a way to be yourself.
I realized that I needed this road, I needed to know I'd find it in the end.
Hello, I'm back. Oh yes, I got the new 4K camera for my vlogs. It is wireless and it's 4K and it's ready to be vlogged. I'm vlogging the vlogging camera. Oh dear. Yes, this will be my next upgrading cameras. I've had quite a few cameras over the years, and this is the first 4. It's not the first 4K camera because I've got one in my hand, but it's GoPro. But you won't get the fisheye effect on this one. I hope not. Anyway, I hope you like this vlog and all my other mini vlogs I do. But I do have to say this before I go. Thank you for liking and sharing this video and all my other videos across the YouTube spectrum. Bye bye. Bye bye for now. Bye.